Good morning, welcome to day 21. Finished last night here at Tri-Corner Knob Shelter. Had a really good sleep. Plan is today to get down to Mount Camera and sleep there. I think it's only about 10 miles away. And yeah, hopefully get a sunrise there in the morning. That'd be great if that happens. Haven't had one yet. So yeah, hopefully won't get too much rain today, but they are calling for some showers, possibly around 12 o'clock. So want to get going. I can hardly believe that I've been out here 3 weeks already. I could probably finish the Smokies today, no problem, but get down to Standing Bear, but I'm not going to do that. I am going to get to Mount Camera Fire Tower, which is only about 10 miles up the road, and avoid walking in the rain, which I think I've heard is supposed to get here anywhere between 2 and 5 o'clock. So I know there's a group of other people looking to do the same thing, and so we're hopefully gonna sleep in the fire tower tonight, and that came strongly recommended by Try. So Try, I'm hoping to get a sunrise there in the morning. Don't know if that'll be possible with the forecast, but I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. And yeah, so get a long day there, or a long night at Mount Camera Fire Tower, and then leave the Smokies tomorrow down to Standing Bear, whatever that's called, hostel. And yeah, so keep you updated. I just love these real narrow corridors of pine trees that the trail goes through. You can see it behind me there. Just really beautiful walking down through them. Loving this hike so far today. It is a slow, gradual downhill. I don't know how it is all the way out of the Smokies. I know there is 1,000 foot back up toward the bottom, and I don't know what it's like after that, but man, this has been great. Like a slow, gradual descent. Good job, Jet. Where are you? There you are. Good job, Jet, bringing us down nice and slow. I like that. Good way to do it. Well, did not beat the rain to the tower, Camera Tower. So have about a 2.5 mile walk from Cosby Knob Shelter, and see you there. Mount Camera Tower, 0.6 of a mile. Good thing it's enclosed. Let's hope it's open. Let's go. All right, man, if anything, this trail getting up to this thing is beautiful. Just look at these beautiful mosses on the side. Nice colors. I love it. And there we are. Hopefully it's open. Well, it is open, but not in great shape in here, as you can see. Stuff on the floor, windows blowing out, but can't be much colder than the shelter. So I think I'll go ahead and just bunker down here for the evening, and in hopes that we get a view in the morning. That's what I'm hoping. In the meantime, let's go look outside. Wow, the wind is really whipping through here. Don't know if I can safely stay here. I don't know. I gotta make a decision. All right, decision has been made. I am leaving this place. I have to get to the Davenport shelter, 5 miles away. It is not safe to stay up here. Wind is coming in, rain is blowing in. I am calling it quits up here. Man, that was some nasty storm. Wind and rains that blew through while I was up there at Mount Camera. I didn't know how long it was going to last, if it was going to go all night, but I just knew it was not safe for me to stay up there. I've never been in wind like that, and it was really almost kind of scary. On the way down, the trail actually started, I could feel the ground moving underneath my feet, and I looked down, and it was the roots of a tree getting pulled up, and the tree was just about getting ready to get blown over. And wow, yeah, I'm glad I went up there, because I got some really cool footage as the storm was blowing in. So I'm kind of glad I was up there. And man, the views would be amazing from up there on a great day, and I can only imagine the sunrise and sunset from up there. It would just be amazing. But I didn't feel safe. I feel a lot safer now down here at lower elevation, a few thousand feet below. Winds have cooled down a lot, and not as much rain. So yeah, I'm about an hour away from Davenport Gap shelter. I'll get in there, and hopefully there's space in the shelter, and look for better weather tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see the way it goes. One wanted to be on trail when this one happened, and this looks pretty fresh. Broke right off the top of that, right down onto the trail. Man, I gotta tell you right now, I am so hungry, and I don't even think I have hiker hunger yet. I got plenty of food in my food bag, but all I can think about is a box of ice cream bars that I bought while I was at Lodge of Legends, and I think there were a dozen in there, and I ate 2 of them, and they're in her freezer right now. I just donated them back to her, and man, I bet you I know I could eat that whole box of ice cream bars right now. So I can think about those ice cream bars. I know that I could eat some better things than that for sure, but right now all I want are those ice cream bars. Man, I can't believe I'm almost out of the Smokies. Davenport Gap is only 1.9 miles away. The shelter's even closer, and man, shelter's the last one in the Smokies, and Davenport Gap is out of the Smokies. So I am almost out of here. And you know what? I really loved them. I really did. Even the rain today and the storm up there, yeah, it was pretty amazing. Got about everything you could get. I didn't get snow. I got frost. But I got rain, storms, really beautiful weather. So, yeah, my experience here was really good. And, yep, I want to come back to the area, do some day hikes here once I'm done with my through hike. That'd probably be next year. Come back with the kids. It'd be fun. Davenport Gap Shelter straight ahead. All right, everyone, change of plans. I stopped at Davenport Gap Shelter, had some snacks, took a little break. I am pushing on to Standing Bear Hostel. They have real food down there. Pizzas, sodas. They got dryer. I can maybe dry some stuff out. So that is the plan. I got about 3.5 miles to get there. And it's pretty much all downhill, I believe. And yeah, so it's about 5:30. I have time to get it done, so I'm gonna do it. So out of the Smokies today means I did the second half of the Smokies in about 2 days. To you, Smokies, I love you. I'll be back.
It sounds like an old friend, takes you right back to the kitchen. You can almost smell the cake that your grandma made on your birthday.
Have you ever laid on your back under a poplar tree, thinking about all your memories, looking at the sky, wondering why this feels like home?
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you home. 'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like home.
Have you ever been driving down the highway, looking at the sunset? It'll make you forget all the troubles every day can bring.
Have you ever been staring up at the starlight, getting pretty close to midnight? Sounds just like the wind singing your name. Feels like home.
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you home. 'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like